Welcome to USA Smart Shop, your go-to spot for trusted Amazon product reviews. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best pool vacuum cleaners, hand-picked to keep your pool crystal clear all season long. Whether you need something budget-friendly or high-tech, we've got you covered with the best options available now. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Arobo Pool Vacuum for In-Ground Pools, Smart Navigation Pool Cleaner Robot, Wall Climbing Pool Cleaner, cleans pool floors, walls and waterline, 120-minute runtime, for above-ground and in-ground pools. The Arobo Pool Vacuum delivers intelligent cleaning with its advanced smart navigation system, which guides it methodically across your pool floor, walls, and waterline. Unlike random pattern cleaners, this one maps and cleans in straight lines for superior efficiency. Its robust wall climbing capability ensures your entire pool gets attention, from base to waterline, tackling grime that builds up along vertical surfaces. It runs for up to 120 minutes on a single charge, making it suitable for medium to large-sized in-ground or above-ground pools. The battery performance is consistent, and the robot automatically shuts down when the job is done or when the battery runs low. The strong suction and built-in brush work together to collect leaves, dirt, sand, and debris with impressive power. Designed with dual-drive motors and tank-like treads, this cleaner maintains excellent traction across different pool surfaces, including vinyl, fiberglass, concrete, and tile. With a simple drop-and-go operation, you don't need a separate booster pump or external hoses. Setup takes under a minute. The Arobo is particularly appealing for users who want full pool coverage without having to manually scrub or vacuum difficult areas. It is also a strong performer in energy efficiency, offering high cleaning power while minimizing electricity usage compared to traditional pool cleaners. You'll also appreciate the minimal noise level. It operates quietly enough that it won't disrupt a peaceful backyard afternoon. Number 2. Ybot C1 Robotic Pool Vacuum for In-Ground Pools, Cordless Pool Cleaner, 4-in-1 wall and waterline cleaning up to 1,614 square feet, smart navigation, app support. The Ybot C1 Robotic Pool Vacuum is a versatile cleaning solution engineered for high-capacity pools up to 1,614 square feet. It features a 4-in-1 cleaning system that handles floor scrubbing, wall climbing, waterline brushing, and intelligent path mapping. With cordless operation and a powerful internal battery, it delivers over 2 hours of consistent runtime, covering large areas without needing frequent recharges. Smart navigation is at the heart of this model. The Ybot C1 uses advanced sensors and gyroscope-based route planning to ensure full pool coverage. Instead of wandering aimlessly, it maps your pool and moves in calculated paths. This results in less overlap, less missed space, and significantly faster clean times. It's efficient and smart, reducing both energy use and user frustration. Its cleaning components include dual motors and a powerful suction system paired with rotating brushes. These work together to eliminate fine debris, algae, sand, and larger particles like leaves. Whether you have a vinyl-lined pool, a plaster surface, or tiled walls, this robot adjusts traction and suction to handle the job efficiently across various textures. App support adds a layer of modern convenience. Using the Ybot app, you can monitor cleaning progress, set schedules, and switch between different modes. You're not limited to manual operation, which adds significant flexibility. It also offers multiple cleaning modes including floor-only, wall-only, and full coverage, allowing for customization based on your needs. The C1 also features a waterline cleaning mode, a premium capability often missing from standard robotic vacuums. This helps eliminate the ring of grime that builds where water meets air, giving your pool a consistently clean appearance from top to bottom. It's especially helpful for pool owners dealing with sunscreen residue, oils, or pollen buildup. Number 3. 2025 New Robotic Pool Vacuum, Robotic Pool Cleaner for In-Ground Pools, Pool Robot with Smart Navigation, Floor Wall Waterline Cleaning, 180 minutes runtime for pool up to 2,100 square feet. This 2025 upgraded robotic pool vacuum is built for serious cleaning with a runtime of up to 180 minutes, making it ideal for large pools up to 2,100 square feet. Its extended battery life means fewer interruptions, longer sessions, and more efficient coverage in one go. Whether you need it for a deep clean or ongoing weekly maintenance, this robot is designed to handle it all. With smart navigation technology, it doesn't move randomly like older models. Instead, it follows calculated, intelligent paths that maximize coverage and reduce cleaning time. This ensures it covers the floor, climbs the walls, and reaches the waterline without missing spots or repeating areas excessively. It adapts as it goes, adjusting its route to pool dimensions and contours. Equipped with powerful dual motors and a wide-mouth suction inlet, it easily removes fine sand, silt, leaves, and even algae. The built-in scrubbing brushes rotate to dislodge stubborn grime from the floor and walls, and they're gentle enough for all common pool surfaces including tile, plaster, and vinyl. You'll notice the difference in water clarity after a single session. Its climbing ability extends to the waterline, where it targets the tough-to-clean area just above and below the surface. That grime ring caused by oils, dirt, or pollen won't stick around. The robot navigates the vertical pool wall with the same traction and efficiency as it does the flat floor, offering a full top-to-bottom clean every time. The filtration system is high capacity and easy to clean. The top-loading basket can be removed with a single click and rinsed out with a garden hose. It traps everything from large debris like leaves to fine particles you can barely see. This reduces stress on your pool's primary filtration system and helps maintain better water circulation. Number 4. Pool Cleaner K20, 2H Runtime Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum, Touchscreen, Smart Navigation, Cleans Floor, Walls, Waterline, ideal for above and in-ground pools, self-parking. The K20 Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum is a powerful and intuitive cleaner that combines high-end features with user-friendly controls. One of the standout elements is its built-in touchscreen, a rare addition that gives you complete access to cleaning modes, battery status, and diagnostics in real time without needing an external app. With a 2-hour runtime, the K20 is well suited for small to medium-sized above-ground or in-ground pools. It's fully cordless, so you won't deal with tangled cables or hose management. Just charge it, drop it in, and the robot handles the rest with smart navigation that maps your pool for maximum coverage. Its 3-mode cleaning system covers the floor, walls, and waterline. The climbing performance is reliable, with strong traction allowing it to move vertically and transition from floor to wall smoothly. It scrubs the waterline where buildup tends to collect, helping eliminate unsightly residue left by oils or organic matter. Inside, a dual-motor system works with a high-speed brush to scrub surfaces while strong suction lifts away debris, from large leaves and twigs to fine silt and dust. The oversized filter basket captures particles efficiently, reducing the strain on your pool's filtration system and improving water clarity. The self-parking feature ensures easy retrieval. Once the robot finishes cleaning or senses a low battery, it moves to the pool's edge for convenient removal. Its quick-drain design releases trapped water within seconds, keeping the weight light when lifting it out. Number 5. Dolphin Nautilus CC Automatic Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner, Wall Climbing Scrubber Brush, Top Load Filter Access, ideal for above/in-ground pools up to 33 feet in length. The Dolphin Nautilus CC is one of the most popular automatic robotic pool vacuums for a reason. It's designed for above-ground and in-ground pools up to 33 feet in length and provides complete cleaning coverage for the floor and walls. It features a dynamic dual scrubbing brush system that tackles dirt, algae, and even sticky residues with ease. The wall climbing ability ensures thorough vertical surface cleaning, removing grime that builds up on pool walls. While it doesn't clean the waterline, it reaches close enough to remove the majority of buildup. The scrubbing brushes are powerful but safe for most pool surfaces, including gunite, fiberglass, tile, and vinyl. Thanks for watching USA Smart Shop. If you found the perfect pool vacuum cleaner today, check the links in the description to grab yours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more expert Amazon product reviews coming your way.